Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use the Ledger Nano S Plus crypto hardware wallet. Begin by unboxing and checking the tamper seal, then connect the device to your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a PIN and generate your 24-word recovery phrase. Carefully write the recovery phrase on the provided card and keep it in a secure location away from cameras and online storage. Next, install Ledger Live on your computer or phone and open the app to begin device setup. Choose Initialize as new device, follow the prompts, and verify your device model on screen. Use Ledger Live to install individual coin apps on the Nano S Plus. Each app lets you manage a specific cryptocurrency. Always confirm app installs on the device display before approving to ensure secure operation. When receiving crypto, always generate the address with Ledger Live and verify the same address on your Nano S Plus display. For sending, draft the transaction in Ledger Live, then review and approve the recipient address and fee directly on the device. The hardware wallet secures private keys, so approvals must be made physically on the device, which prevents remote compromise and keeps your funds safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.